Cirrus Aircraft has been using Solumina since about 2013. We've really seen the benefits of Solumina MES as we have ramped up the production line for our new SF50 Vision Jet. Our previous manufacturing processes have all been paper-based, so this was our first experience on standing up a new product and doing it with an electronic system. And it really has helped us understand the processes going on. We could see and we could make the decisions that we needed to do to increase our production rate and ramp that production line as quickly as possible. I would sit in the SF50 production ramp meetings as we were talking about our challenges to ramping up this production line, and people asking questions and people making hypotheses but not really knowing the answers. So then we worked in IT to leverage the data in the system and show it to people, so then they weren't hypotheses anymore. People could see the data quickly and have the right conversations and make the right decisions. iBASEt is a strategic partner. They are not a vendor, they are not a supplier. They are there to understand our business, to understand our challenges, and help us work through them. They visited us in Duluth. They spent time to build the relationship. They invited me and whoever I wanted to bring with me out to California to their headquarters. They were willing to set up conversations with other customers. They were doing everything they could to provide me the information I needed to get up to speed quickly. We definitely see the benefits and the speed to improvement within our own organization.